What is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got an exciting one. We got a banger. As you can tell by the title of the video, you heard it right. We have bought our 4th Toyota Tacoma. This one I'm very excited about. So without further ado, hold you here any longer, let's look at the new truck. So as you can see, we got a 2021 Toyota Tacoma SR5 in Voodoo Blue. Now, I am absolutely excited. I am like above and beyond happy. This thing is sick. I have so many videos to come, so many videos to show you guys every little thing, you know, in detail, but we're gonna go over the truck very generally, I guess you could say. So, Toyota Tacoma 2021 SR5 Chrome. Is what it should be called, Chrome Edition. But it's okay. As of right now, how it sits, I'm perfectly fine with it because it has chrome up front, has chrome in the headlights, it has chrome on the badging, a little bit of chrome on the wheels, and then it has a chrome running board, chrome on the back bumpers, which I'm okay with. 4x4 and the V6 are also chromed out. Now, I wasn't planning on doing this. I reached out to a bunch of dealerships, let them know what I was, pricing wise, financially wise. They told me no, it can't be done. No way, Jose. Sandy hooked it up. Sandy negotiated. Sandy got this deal done. We'll talk about pricing, all that in a different video, but I just wanted to show you guys I'm back. I'm back, baby, I'm back. 2021 Toyota Tacoma SR5. Super excited, super stoked. So let's take a look inside. Now, I'll be completely honest with you. It does take a little bit of getting used to, but I love the interior of this freaking truck. So we got the all-weather floor mats, which are different from my old all-weather floor mats. So this is what the inside of this truck looks like. It is absolutely sick. I love it. It's so simple. It's so crisp. It's very, very nice. Sandy was sitting there when I was recording outside, so she set the seat down. So we got the 4x4 dual climate control. I don't know how many times I told you guys in the last videos talking about my Tacoma. This was a must. When I saw this, when I found out that this had this, I was excited. Down here, we got the ECT power. Right here, we got a cubby. This is awesome. I would way much rather have this than that not so great charger. Let's keep it family friendly. But other than that, your typical stuff. I absolutely love the steering wheel. That's like one of my favorite things about the Tacoma. Down here you got your traction control, you know, you got your lights, you got your auto lights. I gotta show you something about this one. This truck came with something that I'm so happy. I was gonna do on my old truck, but I didn't get the chance to, so there's that. This is something that on my 2020 I did not want, but it was cool while I had it, but now that I'm back, I love it even more. This has a key. An actual key. Something about turning on a vehicle with a key is way better than turning on a vehicle with a push of a button. I don't know. Call me crazy. I love it. We got the gray seats. I like them. They're okay for now. I hope that they can hold up. If they do hold up, I would love it because I like the headliner and this match. It's cool. It's nice. But of course, if they don't work out, well then I'd be happy because I have a bit of an idea for these seats. But more to come on that. Now, this does have the power adjustment. Honestly, I didn't want the power adjustment. I would rather have the little lever pull up and down, but it's okay. Not a problem. Moving on to the back, this SR5 badge. Enjoy it while you can because it'll be gone before you know it. All right, so now we're looking at the back of the truck. Very simple, very familiar. Everybody knows who has a Tacoma. This is what it looks like. I really like the seats. I like the little armrest, and I like how the ceiling all go together very cohesively. Is that a word? I don't know. I've had 2 Tacomas with these seats. They actually held up. Sandy has a Corolla with these seats, a little bit lighter. If you fart, there will be green stains everywhere. So I'm hoping that these last a little bit longer, and if they do, well, great. If not, again, I'm happy to change them out. Door steps. I come from a lifted truck where I'm used to jumping from way down there all the way up there, so they're kind of in the way. But today I did wash my truck, and look, you can step up here. Pretty sick, nasty. So I'm okay with them. I'm happy. I'm not upset. Now this one is gonna blow your mind. People have it, some people don't, but the people that don't, listen to me. This is the best party trick you can show anybody. My bed has lights. There have been many times when me and Sandy have gone out to eat and I needed a little bit of light back there and I just didn't have it, but now I have it. So I'm very, very excited. That's it. That's pretty much the general overview of my 2021 Toyota Tacoma SR5. There's many videos to come. You know it. The do's, the don'ts, the likes, the dislikes, reviews, so on and so forth. So stay tuned if you're interested in this vehicle. And helicopters interrupting my videos, this is a channel for you. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm so excited. And shout out to everybody who supported me throughout the time of not having my Tacoma. It's been real, and I'm super, super excited. With that being said, it's been your boy. I'm out like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace. This dang plane's trying to steal my spotlight.